Testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about how do solar panels generate electricity. So we're going to be talking about this question, okay? And another question I'm also going to ask is, can it be possible to create a the world electricity instead of using other methods and stuff, just only solar panels, right? Just only solar energy. Let's find that out, shall we? So as we know, okay, uh, our sun gives us a bunch of solar energy, like billions of watts of solar energy at our sun, right? Now, if so, then why can't we just create again a utopia, just only using solar panels, right? Well, in order to understand this question, we have to understand how does it work. So the thing is, okay, solar panels are made out of silicon, okay? So these silicon crystals, they're squished in between like a sandwich, okay, to create these layers. And all the silicon atomic bonds have 4 strong bonds, okay, which make it so that there is no current. So, and not only that, there are also various layers of it as well, creating the N side and the P side, one being negative and one being positive. So what happens? So let's say we think of the sun and the light itself being a bunch of photons, right? It strikes down on the solar panel, creating a hole and knocking out an electron. So this is the electron, if the camera can even see it, and there will be a hole in it, right? So due to how the layers are shaped, right, the electron will go to the N side, while the hole will most likely go to the P side. So then eventually the electron, they're like these wires attached to it, right? It goes through these and creates an electric circuit, okay? So let's say it goes through a light bulb, it works, right? And then eventually goes back, finds the hole, and fits it in. So that way, it can be used for decades. Well, so basically just one of these, being a solar cell, can only give out 1.5, like half a volt, okay? And only 12 of these solar cells can not create, but can charge cell phones. And a bunch of them can even charge an entire house, right? Work on an entire house. So why don't we just do it, right? Make the entire world's use of electricity just on solar panels. Why not? Well, there are various reasons, such as political reasons and companies that want to sell off using oil, right? They want to use that, right? They really want to use it, and they don't want this competitor, right? There are political reasons as such. And there's also solar undistribution. Like there's some parts of the world that are cloudy, rainy, and also that sometimes it could be foggy or cloudy. And not only that, but also in the nighttime as well, right? There will be no light. So that would mean we'd have to, make solar panels in these sunny areas, and like all the power has to move out to go to the moodier areas, right? And not only that, we also have to know storage affection, and not only that, storage of storing the energy, and also not only that. What about the solar panels themselves? Sometimes the photons, right? They'll bounce off, or they'll do it, right? They'll strike enough energy and do this, but it doesn't go through the circuit and just ends up going back in the hole, right? That would just mean that we lost the electrons' energy, right? But we are still evolving, right? Eventually we'd also need the space, money as well. But is it possible for this type of vision to happen? Well, it is possible, actually, if we can work together, right? So let's try to go for this, okay? that's basically how does a solar panel generate electricity, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.